What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Peso coming at y'all with another video, man. And today, as y'all seen the thumbnail, bro, I'm gonna tell y'all, like, really how much it costs to fill up the wide body Charger Redeye. You feel me? And the bad thing about these hoes, bro, you can't get these hoes no more. These bitches are extinct after this. Like, it's done. It's done. But yeah, we finna go ahead and get in the car. And you feel me? We finna, go to the gas tank, to the little gas pump, show you how much it is to really fill up the whip. Now I'm not gonna lie to y'all. This is my daily. This is my daily. As y'all can see, it's a Redeye. This is my daily. It's in half a tank at the moment. I get 4.1 mile per gallon. But you know, I keep my car in eco mode in the city, bro. Like, majority of people don't keep their car in eco mode in the city. But y'all see that little thing up there? This little thing right there, that little green leaf. I keep it in eco mode. I don't keep it in sport. You feel me? I don't really. I drive my car every day. It's my daily, bro. This is my only car at the moment. This is what I drive. You know, go open doors. Yeah, you know, I'm gonna have a fleet. You feel me? I'm gonna have a fleet. But for the moment being, this is my daily. I don't drive it hard every day because it's not that many places to drive how I want to drive around here. Cause I really live in the country like that, so it's not no city area. So you feel me? I can't. Yeah, but at the moment, you know, this is, you know, my daily. So I'm gonna take y'all to the pump and show y'all how much it really costs to fill up. But other than that, y'all, how was y'all day, bro? Like, on some real shit. Like, other than me being Peso, other than, you know what I'm saying, my problems, how y'all day was. You feel me? Just let me know down in the comments, man. You know, y'all make sure y'all like and subscribe to the video, man. Like, for real. Y'all make sure y'all like and subscribe to the video. But it ain't looking too bad outside today. But yeah, I just got out of class. And if y'all don't know, yeah, I'm in college. I am a college student. And everybody do ask me, how you afford this car and being a college student. Listen, bro, it's not me. I tell folks it's really not me. It's nothing. I'm not nothing without that man in the sky. Like, really, bro. Like, where I come from bro, go ahead, bro. From where I come from and to see me where I'm at now, like it's really a blessing. And I know it's so many more doors that God got opening for me, you know. And it's even more of a blessing being a young black man in this society. You know, not everybody, you know, get to drive what I drive, you know, do what I do on an everyday basis, you know. So I really do gotta thank God for that, man. Like, honestly. So right now we definitely on the way to the pump. I don't even like I'm from Florida, if y'all didn't know. And me being from Florida, bro, I really tend to hate this type of weather. Like, this type of weather is really shitty though. Like, it's bad. Let me get over, bro, cause dang, she ain't finna drive that fast for me, bro. I need to get over. She would get over, bro. Stupid ass. But, oh man, they stopping. What's going on? I really don't want to hit it right now, bro, cause like, police be just sitting around. Definitely not a camper. We by the campus, they be just chilling, waiting for somebody to do some dumb shit. I swear, bro. I swear they just be waiting for somebody to do some dumb shit. I'm just trying to pull up. Bro. Okay, you turn it right. go ahead and get over. Go ahead and get my ass over. I'm just trying to go to get some gas. But yeah, right now, bro. Oh, that's another thing. I really gotta start giving y'all nighttime POV. I'm getting I ordered me a what's the thing called? A GoPro. And I ordered me a GoPro. And me ordering you a GoPro, bro, we gonna be right. Definitely nighttime. And I do plan to get a as well. Have some stars in the roof and shit, cause the roof looking real bland right now. But I'm definitely getting stars in the roof. And we at half a tank right now, as y'all can see. 89 miles per gallon. And if y'all trying to get this type of cars like Trackhawks, Hellcats for gas, bro, don't do it, bro. It's miles per gallon, bro. The snack that smiles back, this motherfucker. Hellcats. I'm telling you, bro, like, if you gon' do something, bro, and definitely with this type of car, bro, it's not really for gas, but you can make it better on gas. That makes sense. Not for gas. It's not an economical car, but you can make it better on the gas, and that's what I be doing. You feel me? Not saying I can't just be flooring shit all day, but be real. You in the country, bro. You can't do that shit. In the city, yeah. Right now, nah. But yeah, the pump, bro. Like I only do 93, bro. I only do 93, bro. And we just gonna sit here and I'm gonna get back to y'all boys when it just click. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be 40 though. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be 40 on the half a tank. That's what I've noticed. Half a tank, it used to be 40 ball now. You go into that, you're gonna be 70, 80. Easy.
Apply now.
Yeah. I'm gonna get back to y'all and show y'all how much it's gonna be. Well, we stopped at 36 right here. Stopped at 36. The click. So, yeah. 36, bro. So, honestly, I feel like I really do a good job into, no, I don't know. I feel like I really do a good job into taking care of my the gas at least like, you know what I'm saying, just for it being what it's being, the Redeye shit. But yeah. Oh, and for all you dirty kids out there, make sure y'all have some hand sanitizer, bro. Make sure y'all have some hand sanitizer when y'all get done pumping that dirty pump. I got some hand sanitizer, bro. Yeah, that hand sanitizer, really need that hand sanitizer. Alright, had to get that damn hand sanitizer in my hand. But on the real note, but yeah, as y'all can see, now we at 222 range, full 14 miles per gallon in the city, which, you feel me? I think it's great. It's a great job, you feel me? Now, if I was in the city, oh, that should at least be like 10, 8. I'm not gonna lie to you, because I'll be cutting the fuck up. But, yeah, I'm probably gonna go get me something to eat. And later on, we might do some pulls with the boys later on. It depended if what we gonna do. But if we do some pulls with the boys, bro, it's definitely gonna be added into this video. But if not, it is gonna be the fill up video and me just chatting. But we'll see. But let me know in the comments if I should do more POVs at night. I plan to get the stars on the roof glow, the dash glow, all that shit, all that good shit. The steering wheel already glowed as it is, but I want to see if I can get a different airbag, illuminated airbag, to where I can change the colors behind the SRT. If I can get that, that'll be a fucking plus. But yeah, but we got way more content coming, man. We got muffler deletes, you know, flame tune. We gonna do it big, bro. God gonna let us do it big for sure. We got a lot of shit coming, bro. And And the gang got their cars too. I gotta do a reveal on that too. We gonna do a video on that too. We got a lot of shit coming, bro. So yeah, I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna hit y'all back if we do something late enough. If not, you know what I'm saying. On to the next video. Peace.